Welcome back to Occur Controls. Now we will look at how to do bill using Possible Pro app. Click the billing button on the home screen and you will come to this page. First, let me tell you what appears on the screen. The top row has 4 status indications viz. Printer, display, weight and barcode scanner. As per the selection, the respective text will be visible. The red color text indicates the device is not connected, orange is for while connecting, and green indicates the successful connection. In case any of the text are displayed in red color, simply click on the status to reconnect the device. If you are using the app with the weighing scale, the weight is shown over here and tare is at the top of the screen. Click the icon to do remote tare operation. You can also use volume up button to tare the weighing scale. The side arrow besides the rupees is to add and view customer in waiting and reprint the previous bill. Click plus to add current customer to wait list. To recall the customer, just select the customer. Similarly, to delete the customer in waiting, swipe from right to left on the respective customer name and confirm. Let us do billing now. Click the add button. Here you can see the weight, the item list, customer list and category. Select the customer. You can select from the list or type the customer name. If the customer name is new, it will automatically add to the database. The items billed frequently will appear at the top of the list. Now to choose the item list, there are 4 methods. Select from the list or enter the item name or enter the item code or use barcode. Choose category to select item from the category. Select the item. The weight is auto updated if it is weight based. Else use plus or minus or enter to set the quantity. The rate is displayed at the bottom. Click cart icon, the item is added. The number of items in the cart are shown over the cart icon. Continue adding the items and click arrow button to finish the billing. You can always come back and add more items. Here, the item name, pieces or weight, unit rate and amount is shown. Click the item to change the quantity in case of pieces and unit rate. This rate change is allowed only if you have enabled it in the setting. The customer name and bill number is shown. Press the bin icon to delete the entire bill, and to delete the particular item, swipe on the item from right to left and click bin icon. At the bottom of the screen, the basic, discount and tax value is displayed. Click the 3 dots in the left side to add discount in percentage, discount in fixed amount, delivery charges, bag charges and the mode of payment. The item count is displayed in the bottom right in red. To view the bill summary, click the red 3 dots. Finally, click print button to print the bill and data is added to reports. The red bell icon indicates that there are items in low stock. Click to view the same. So that is how simple our Possible Pro app is. Subscribe our channel to get the latest updates on our. Thank you.